life, strength, and health, morning motivation, episode 70, organization. Great rising, everyone. Jamal here, natural path, holistic health, and natural living expert. We are continuing our challenge with this global crisis. A lot of people are beginning to feel the effects of the isolation, the social distancing, and I know that is challenging for a lot of people. I know we all went into this with an idea that it wouldn't be as long as it was, and I think that when people begin to realize that we were in this for a much longer haul, that our programs begin to collapse, our regiments begin to suffer, and we were just hit with many challenges, whether it's friends going through things, whether it's our own personal family members and loved ones. It could be very, very challenging. And despite all of that, we still have to continue to push forward. We still have to continue to be there for other people, but we also have to be there for ourselves. So I just want to remind you that organization is extremely important in order for you to maintain your health, your sanity, your mind-body connection, in order for you to continue with the goals that you set for yourself. If you want to come out on the other end of this whole thing better than when you went in, then it's very important for you to be organized. So if you find that you have lost levels of organization, I want you to take this opportunity to get organized for the week. I want you to take this opportunity to get organized for the day. With every type of organization comes empowerment. For every minute spent organizing, an hour is earned. So if you feel like you're all over the place and you can't seem to keep up, you feel like you don't have enough time, despite the fact that you're home, despite the fact that you actually have more time, then it might be time for you to get more organized. Again, for every minute spent organizing, an hour is earned. So use this morning to begin that process of getting organized again. And I'm going to leave you with that. And to listen to our extended podcasts, you can go to lifestrengthandhealth.com. Get organized, everyone, and create the space to be great. Peace and blessings.